What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today we are going to be ranking the 5 best investing YouTube channels out there. These channels are great resources to learn more about the stock market and how to build your wealth through investing. Before we get started, make sure you guys go down and leave a like, and then go down to the comments and tell us who you think are the best investors on YouTube. Number 5, L2 Inc. This channel has nearly 300,000 subscribers, and on their channel they share quantitative analysis for different stocks in the market. They have a lot of data to back up their claims, and they do give their own opinions on stocks and not just looking at data. They have a very high success rate in predicting where a stock's going to go, and they also do a great job at recapping the week in the stock market and just talking about different stocks and where they went and why they went there. Number 4, Wafa Damodaran. Wafa is a professor of finance at New York University. His YouTube channel is nearly 100,000 subscribers. He goes into great detail into stocks and how to value them. I would highly recommend that if you do watch his videos to take notes just to retain everything he's saying, because they are very informative and very advanced. Be prepared because a lot of his videos can reach over an hour in length. A lot of these videos are actual lectures, so be prepared. These are not the flashy, fun videos where you're learning and having fun. These are strictly learning and taking in information. Number 3, Preston Pitch. Here's a podcast on YouTube that has over 130,000 subscribers. In this podcast, he studies a lot of billionaires, studies how they think and what separates them from the general populace. He focuses a lot on Warren Buffett and makes videos like how to invest like him, and basically teaches you a lot how Warren Buffett thinks and how he picks stocks. He also goes beyond the stock market and talks a little bit about real estate as well. With that said, I highly recommend you check out his podcast. With that said, let's get to number 2. Number 2, Martin Shkreli. Martin is a pretty controversial investing YouTube channel that has a little bit over 100,000 subscribers. He was actually convicted of securities fraud and conspiracy and was sent to prison a few years ago. Something that also gained him massive notoriety was him jacking up the prices for AIDS patients for their medicine. With this said though, he's still a very smart guy and knows how to make money. His old videos can still be found on his channel. He's obviously still not coming out with any more behind bars, but his old videos are still very informative, and that's why we have him at number 2. Number 1, Financial Education. Financial Education is run by a man named Jeremy who makes stocks extremely fun and very informative at the same time. He's most well known for his monthly videos where he talks about what stocks he's going to invest more in that month or what new stocks he's going to be investing in. Those are pretty informative, and he usually picks stocks that go up quite a lot in the coming years. Jeremy has over 300,000 subscribers, and in one of his public accounts he has over 250,000 invested in the market. Jeremy makes videos on all sorts of topics, whether it be something that just came out in the news, talking about a certain stock, talking about CEOs, all sorts of videos, and he really teaches you a lot. This is by far the best channel if you want to stay up to date on the stock market and just want to learn the general mindset needed for the stock market. Jeremy also sells courses to his subscribers, and they can be a little pricey, but they can actually be worth the value. A lot of people can attest to that. Thank you guys so much for coming into Business Buzz today. I really hope you took something of value. If you did, make sure you go down and leave a like, comment whether you agreed, disagreed, and what you want to see in the coming videos. Anyway, you guys, see you next time.